Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and today I'm going to go over a walkthrough of my dinosaur parallel folio album. This album is 10.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches high, and it has a 1.5 inch spine. On the front cover here, the back paper was just off of the internet. I just did a search for tropical forest and blew it up and printed it out on my printer. This dinosaur here comes from a digital collection from Etsy. This book is for Miles. And on the back, we have another tropical forest picture that I printed just off the internet. This is doubled up so I could get, because my printer, when it prints, it always leaves me a border. I'm not sure why, but it does. So there is a navy blue double section behind there. So let's go ahead and get on the inside here. Two sides. And on the left side, we have an area where a 4x6 picture will fit right underneath these eyes. These are also from the digital collection. It says, "Hear me roar." This opens to the right. We have room for a photo here, 4x6, and here. And then I placed double-sided tape behind the head and the tail. So once she puts the pictures in that she wants, she can take that tape off and lay that down to secure it. We have a tag pocket here. This was also in the digital collection. I think I got two different digital collections, but I can't remember. I think it was some with this type of pattern and then some with the different dinosaur things. And then a 4x6 will fit behind here, and a 4x5 will fit right there. I've used different colors of cardstock to lay down for photo mats, just to bring out some different colors. This opens to the left. We have a 4x6 photo mat here, and this collection came with some tags, so she can journal on the back or add pictures. And then also had this pocket. These all had to be fussy cut out. This opens to the left. We have a section which you could put a 4x6 here, but you're going to block off the head, so I would say maybe a 4x4 would fit there nicely. And depending on what paper collection you use, that would adjust to that. You do not have to use dinosaur or anything like that for when you do an album. You can make it in the collection that you like. All of the wording that is added on was done with my Cricut, and I just used black flat vinyl, and so it's nice and smooth. I use that for the words. 4x6 photo will fit there nicely. Oh, and we have 4x6 there and another tag pocket. In this section, we have the dinosaur bones here, and this will fit probably about just under 4x5, so just have to cut down a little bit, but they'll fit. And then this opens up to reveal the full dinosaur bone set. Again, here she can put a full 4x6 behind here and behind here. Tape behind this one as well. Not behind this one because it seems to lay pretty flat. Sorry. This opens to the right. We have a nice area here. She can add 4x6, 4x4s, or a variety of smaller ones. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. A variety of smaller pictures there if she would like. These pockets were created using the tag pocket things, the tags, and I just blew them up until I had the size that I needed. So we got two of those, and then I just put a variety of color of tags in, and then two bigger tags in the top section here. Now this is open all the way to the back one's open, so it goes all the way to the bottom. We'll close this all up here. And this will go to the right again. We have two photo spots here. This will tuck right underneath this one and photo there. These were fussy cut out of some of the just digital print. It wasn't that I think I blew it up a little, sure, or have I just cut it out of the regular size. We have an area here for 4x6. Again, this will flip like so. I have a pocket here with a couple of tags in there for photos. 4 3/4 by 3 3/4 high photo will fit there. We have a nice large area here. This says dinosaur, and she can put photos here or just a variety of smaller ones so that the backdrop is still visible. Here we have a flip up, and now this will hold a 4x6 photo here. And then we got one here, and then a 4x5 will fit here nicely. On the right-hand side here, we have room for 4x6 photo. And then this opens up. Nice large area here. She can either put pictures down or she can add smaller pictures in the area to leave the dinosaurs visible. We have room for a 4x6 here. And then here we have a 4x6 area. Journaling up here. This, again, like the other one, is a pocket tag holder. So you put pictures on the front and back. I did leave the magnet open. She can just glue a picture over top of that. And then we also have a mat in there to add 2 pictures to. In addition to that, she can get a couple of photos here or smaller ones, or just journal whatever she wants on this page, or do both. That is the album. I hope you enjoy it. And like the other album that I just put up the other day, if you would like to see this one built and a tutorial on that, just leave some comments in the bottom. If I get a few that I'm interested in it, I would do that. And I appreciate you stopping by and watching. Comments are always appreciated. That draws attention to my little channel. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so very much for sticking with me and following along. I do have a job now, and so it's taken up a little bit more of my time, and I've been building albums. So between the two, it's been a little crazy, but I love it, and it's going good. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down in the right hand corner, and you'll be notified when I put up a video. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I wish you and your family many, many blessings. Till the next time. Bye.